do a line,
Mm-hmm.
and then that's all the work you do. Maybe a couple a week, and you're making.
You make your bank.
Oh, like over, I would say, in the realm of 100,000.
Wow.
Just as and that you didn't even have to go and get your doctorate or anything.
That's awesome.
I don't want to do pick lines. It sounds boring, but
Sounds scary.
mm-hmm. She's beautiful.
Thank you.
The hiccups so bad.
She always,
And then she smacks her
I
mouth.
can never ever prevent her from getting hiccups.
I've-
She'll burp. She burps.
I've never seen a child do that before.
I've never seen her do that before either.
The smacking, she hiccups
I've
and then
never
she
seen her do that
smacks.
before. That's new.
It's a crack up.
That's new. That's
Is it?
brand new. I've never seen that.
Mom, where's the keys?
My keys?
Yeah.
They're hooked onto
Oh.
my purse, which is on the side of my bed. On the side of my bed.
Asking for
It's like old people when they do the whole.
Uh huh.
New trick.